Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Java programming language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we learned about map and set interface of collection framework, generic collection and regular expression for mobile number validation using pattern and matcher class practically. You can learn that concept by watching my previous video. Now, in this video, we will learn about regular expression for username validation and password validation using pattern and matcher class and variable length of arguments practically. So, let's get into the session. We discussed this program in our previous video. I have copied it and pasted it into the new file. I am just changing the class name regular expression demo 2. I am saving the file over here regular expression demo 2.java. So file is saved now. I am opening the CMD to get the output. I am increasing some font size. Say for example this. It is okay now. So I am going to the particular location. I am just compiling the file java c regex demo 2.java. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file java regex demo 2 with a parameter. So for example, I need to pass the parameter from the CMD. I am passing the parameter 789. It will remove a false. Why? Because we have given that you should enter exactly 5 characters. So these 7-9 means the total number of characters should be between 7 to 9 and there will be total exactly 5 number of character will be given the true answer. So this is what we have done with the pattern and matcher class, and this program is for the validation for the mobile number. I am going to give you the practical demonstration for the username validation. So in the username there will be letters also. Say for example characters also. A to Z, it is in a small letter. So I can write over here A dash Z 0 dash 9 underscore dash. So what it means? It means that if the user entered this kind of a string, at least 5 to maximum 10 value. Okay, so minimum 5 character and maximum 10 character are allowed over here. So this is what the regular expression for the username validation. We have compiled the regular expression, and then what I am doing is I am just creating a string over here. Say for example string s equal to args of 0. So argument of 0 I am storing into s, and in the matcher method I will pass the s to the matcher method. So I am doing the simple things over here. I am just validating for the username. So username can include any characters between A to Z. I am compiling the file. So for example java c regex demo 2.java. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running file java regex demo 2 with argument inputting the value. So for example 1 2 3 only. So 1 2 3 doesn't, this value does not have any character value, right? So it is between 0 to 9, it is okay. But see there in the regular expression we have given 5 comma 10, so it will provide a false because minimum 5 characters are required. Okay, so I am going 1 2 3 4 5. Say for example I will input the value 1 2 3 4 5. I have given total 5 character over here, but you see that I am not including any characters over here. So I am just providing a numeric value 1 2 3 4 5. It is between 0 to 9. To get, you can see over here the true is there because we have given in the regular expression A to Z 0 to 9, okay, n underscore. So these between A to Z are allowed, between 0 to 9 are allowed, and underscore are allowed, but it need minimum 5 and maximum 10 characters. That is why these regex with this input we are getting a true value. So now I am providing another value. Say for example abc underscore 789. So you can assume that we have given abc in capital letter, but in the regex we have defined that there is a need of this small letter. So what will be the output for this program? Can you guess what is the output of this input? True or false? Give me your answer in the comment box and then we will check it. So here I have inputted the value capital ABC underscore 789, and in our regular expression see over here the output is false now, right? Why? Because we have entered the capital letters, but in our regular expression we do not have mentioned the capital letters over here. So that is why we are getting a false as a output over here for the particular input. So the program is same. I have just changed the regular expression over here. In the previous program we have validated for the mobile number. In this program I have given you the demonstration for how to validate the username. So the username can include the characters and numbers and underscore. That is why I have given the regular expression like in the square bracket a dash z means any character between small a to small z. 0 dash 9 means any numbers between 0 to 9 are allowed, and underscore are allowed and dash are allowed. But it should be minimum 5 character and maximum to 10 character. You can write over here capital over here also. So now a to z is allowed in the capital letter also. Now I am inputting the value abc underscore 789. Now it is giving the true answer. See over here. This matches method will provide us the true answer. Why? Because the string that we are inputted is matched with our regular expression. Now I am inputting another value abc underscore. For this input abc underscore, we are getting a false as a output. See over here, because there are only 4 characters, and in our regular expression we have mentioned that the input value should be minimum 5 character and maximum to 10 characters. So this is what the validation for the username. I have given you the demonstration. You can use this program in your project also. Now we are moving ahead. I will give you the practical demonstration for the password validation. Okay, so in the password validation there will be a number of characters are allowed with the number of minimum and maximum value. See over here, this is the program I have printed over here. Now what I am doing is I am just changing over here in the regular expression. I will copy this string over here, pattern.compile. I will copy this line. So this is what the regular expression for the password validation. Okay, so for the password validation, I need to change the regular expression. I am copying the file, paste it over here. This is the regular expression demo number 3. Okay, so I am saving the file regex demo3.java. I am compiling file javac regex demo3.java. It is compiled successfully. Now running the file java regex demo3 with the input value. I am providing the input from the CMD over here. So in this program we do not have changed any code now, but we need to change for the regular expression over here. I am just providing the input from the CMD first to check this program is working properly or not. I will just run it again. See over here, if I do not provide any input, it will generate an exception, array index out of bounds exception. Okay, so how to handle this exception? I have given you the demonstration for the how to handle the exception in our exception video. So you can watch about the exception in my particular exception video. You can watch this exception video from my playlist. So it means that as a user I need to enter the particular value from the CMD when I am going to run the file. So I am copying this line from here and paste it in my program to generate a regular expression for the password validation. I have written a pattern.compile, and this is the whole string for the password validation. If you put this string in your project or in your program, it will definitely work for the password validation. So if you are creating any user interaction for the password, so this regular expression is very important to you guys. Here I have provided in the curly bracket 8 comma 20, and then over here I have provided over here question mark star 0 dash 9, and star is operator for the 0 or more, and dot is for exactly 1. This operator I have given you the practical demonstration in our previous video. So can question mark equal to 0 or more. So I have used all these operator for the regular expression in my program. See over here, dot star a to z in the small letter, question mark equal to dot star a to z in a capital letter. Okay, and then question mark equal to dot star 0 to 9 means 0 to 9 characters, 0 to 9 value, a to z in the small letter, Here A to Z in the capital letter. Okay, I have to write A dash Z over here. And this is the special character I have given for the special character also for the password validation. Okay, but these all are will be between 8 character to 20 character. So the password length will be minimum 8, maximum 20. Okay, when I am going to compile the file, it is giving me an error, cannot find symbol. I have to generate the object for the pattern class over here. I am paste it over here. Pattern p equal to pattern dot compile. Okay, now I am compiling the file. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file. I am providing input as a password. Say for example, Atmiya, okay, underscore university, underscore dash 123 at the rate is a special character. So I have provided the input as Atmi underscore uni dash 123 at the rate. So you can see over here, this regular expression is matching with our input value. So it is done now. It is providing us the true value. This matches method return us the true value because the string is matches with our regular expression. Now I am entering another value, Atmiya uni 123 at the rate. So what will be the output? It is true or false? Can you guess the output? Yeah, it is definitely true, right? Because we have provided the string, it is matching with our regular expression. Now I am changing the input. Say for example, I am providing over here ASD false. Okay, because ASD is not matching with our regular expression. Now I am providing a value ABC, ACB star 123 at the rate star. We are getting false as output because there are no any upper letters over here. I will provide underscore over here. Now ACB underscore 123 at the rate dash dollar. So what do you think about this input? Is this input is matching with our regular expression or not? See over here, we are getting a false as an output. Why? Because we do not have entered any capital letters over here. I am changing another string with a false value. Now ABC123 at the rate dollar, it is false. Now I am writing over here capital A Atmiya, okay, CB123 at the rate dollar. So now you can see in the output in this input in this string there is every parameter are okay now. That is why we are getting it true as a output because our input string is matching with our regular expression that we have compiled by using the pattern class. So this pattern and matcher class is very important over here. You can do like that also, atmi underscore uni dash 123 at the rate. Okay, so this is what our regular expression is. This line requires at least one lower letter appear anywhere in the string. This means require the any capital letters appears in the string. Any upper letter appear anywhere in the string. And this means require that at least one special character appear anywhere in the string. Okay, so this is the string that we are going for the regular expression. Now we are going to moving ahead. Now I am going to give you the demonstration about the variable argument in the Java. Variable args means a variable number of arguments. It must be the last argument of function. It denotes by dot 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 means a triple dot. If you want to use the var args, it is denoted by triple dot over here. It is the same as printf function in the C language. You can provide any number of argument by using the variable length of argument. This is what the usage of the var args. You can provide any number of argument if you are using the var args over here in the program. If you do not have any specific number of argument at that time, the variable length of argument means var args will be used in the Java. So for example, printf, you can provide any number of argument in the printf function in the C language, right? Like this, you can provide number of argument in the printf function. You can create a method in the Java. That method can accept any number of argument from the user. So to handle that any number of argument, variable number of length will be used. It's called var args. I will give you two practical demonstration for the variable length of argument. So be continue with this video and focus over here. I am creating a new file I am creating a class, say for example class Vararg demo1. Now I am copying the class name, I am saving the file over here, I am creating a folder variable argument. Okay, in that folder I am saving the file varargdemo.java. So this class is created now. I will write public static void main over here, and in the public static void main, what I will do over here is I will create an object vararg demo1 val equal to new vararg demo1. So this object is created for the particular vararg class, and then by using that object I can call a method, say for example val dot display. So I will create a display method over here. I will call with this display method without parameter, with one parameter. I can call this method by two parameters, say for example 10, 20, and another value, say for example 10, 20, any string over here, say for example atmiya. See over here, I have called this method by the different number of parameter, and data type also is different, and the data type is also different for the parameter, and the total number of argument is different for all the calling. So I am creating a method now, say for example void display. Here I will write object. So object is a super class of every class. So I will write over here object dot space and the name of the object, say for example OA, and this is the method scope I have given. So this is the display method that we have created for the variable length of argument. So these three dots are used to create the variable length of argument. It is called vararg. So if you call this method without parameter, it is also okay. If you call this method with one parameter, it is also working. If you call this method as a two parameter, it is also working. Say for example, here I am creating a method void sum integer a comma integer b. This method can access only two parameter, but by this variable length of argument, you can have multiple number of argument in one method, right? So here I will write a system.out.println. Here I will write variable argument calls. So we will get the output. Say for example over here, I am commenting this line over here. I am saving the file and I am going to run the file. Okay, in the folder, say for example, I will go to the folder cd dot. I will go in the folder cd vararg, and then I will compile the file javac vararg demo1.java, and I am running the file vararg demo1. Enter. See over here, in the output we are getting vararg calls. So it means that the display method is called over here without any parameter, and it is working properly and giving us the output that we have printed in the method. Now I am uncomment second line over here, uncomment line number 10 over here. See over here, I am compiling and run the file again. We are getting the vararg calls two times. Now I am uncommenting the line number 11 also, compiling the file, running the file. Now we are getting the three lines over here also, because we called the display method by three times. That's why we are getting a three times vararg calls in the output. So if you provide any argument over here, it will also work. If you do not provide any argument over here, it will also work. That is what the benefit of the variable length of argument. You can provide number of argument in the method. It is called variable length of argument. I have give you the practical demonstration for how to handle the variable length of argument in the method. If you call this method with multiple argument, this is also work. If you do not provide any argument to calling the method, it will also works properly. Now I will write over here, I need to print the value over here. So I will write for object O colon OA. So here I am using for each loop in the Java. Every parameter we are getting into the OA. From the OA we are getting into the O object, and then we are printing the value. Say for example O plus with the string concatenation /t. We will get this output. Here also I will write system.out.println for getting the output into the new line. So by this code, every argument will be in the output. Say for example, I am compiling the file, running the file. You can see over here, first of all vararg calls, then vararg calls 10, then vararg calls 10, 20, then vararg calls 10, 20 atmiya. So every argument we have provided to the display method, it is going into the OA, and by the using loop we are getting each and every argument for the particular calling in the object O variable, and then we are printing the O variable over here. That is why we are getting these output in our console. But what is the concept? The concept of the variable length of argument is you can provide number of argument, n number of argument, if you are using the Vararg in your program. So this is what the usage of the variable length of argument. You can provide n number of argument, you can pass n number of argument to the method if the method is defined with the variable length of argument. So the 3 dot is defining the variable length of argument. It is called Vararg in the Java. And you can have you can sort this data also. I will give you the another practical demonstration in this video for how to sort the data that are passing from the method with n number of argument. So over here you can write, say for example, if you want to sort the data, I am just importing the package import java.util.start, and in the util package there is a class named as arrays. Arrays class is used to sort the data. There is a method in the array class named as sort, and in the sort method I have passing OA, means the variable length of argument. So these will use to sort the data we are getting from the calling method. So this is a sort method of the arrays class will use to sort your data. This will convert your data into the arrays and then it will sort your data. It is very powerful and a handy method for the sort the data. Now I am just changing the number of argument. Okay, let me just provide you another program for sorting. I have copied that file and pasted it over here. I am saving the file variable argsdemo2.java. So this file is created now, and over here I will write varargdemo2. Now I am importing the package import java.util.star over here, and then I will write arrays.sort OA. So you can pass this object in the sort method. So I am removing this line over here, and in this println I will write, say for example, after sorting. Okay, so this data will be displayed after the sorting. You can do the before sorting also. Say for example, let me do it over here. I am copying this line and paste it over here. Here I will write before sorting. I will remove this line from here. So before sorting was this, and after sorting we will get the sorted data by using the arrays.sort method for the variable length of argument. So this program will use to sort any data using Vararg. So I am just providing the values over here. Display, now I am providing the string values. Say for example MCA, Atmiya, say for example BBA, BCom, comma, BCA, PhD, comma, BCA, comma, BSc any number of argument you can provide over here. Say for example PGDCA. Over here I am changing the data type and a number of argument also. Here I will write, say for example, capital A, capital M, comma, capital C, comma, in the character capital A. So here we have provided MCA over here. So in the line number 26 we have provided number of argument, and now I am compiling the file ArrayDemo2.java. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file Java Vararg demo2. You can see over here we are getting Vararg calls first. We do not have getting before sorting and after sorting. So I need to compile again javac vararg demo2.java, and I am running the file java vararg demo2. Okay. Now see over here. Okay, I have called the created object for the vararg demo1. I need to change it to the 2. Vararg demo2 over here on the line number 25. Okay. So I am compiling again vararg demo2.java. I am running again java vararg demo2. Now you can see over here before sorting this was the data, after sorting this is the data. Before sorting the string data will was like that, and after sorting we are getting the string data by the sorting, and before sorting MCA, after sorting ACM. So you can sort any number of data and any type of data using variable length of argument and using by the sort method. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video, we will learn about file handling in Java, file class and its methods, and how to write data into the file using file output stream class practically. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.